heading over to the Dalles to do some sturgeon fishing today, so we're hoping to catch a whale today. That'd be awesome. We're out here right now out in the sticks.
About to drop down into mopping.
We're about to drop down into mopping, I guess. So
Mopping right there.
Mopping right down in the mopping it up. Well, we made it to the Great Valley. Coming down the hill into the Dalles right now. You can see the Columbia River right down yonder. Yeah, well, we should, because I was watching videos on YouTube and they were catching fatties up there. Well, we made it here to Rowena boat ramp. They just redid this boat ramp. Water's looking beautiful. So we're gonna get this smoker craft out here in the water and hopefully go land one of these ancient dinosaurs. Hell yeah, brother. Yeehaw. Here we go. Got a fish on, boys. I think. Dude, no way. Oh yeah. Is my drag right? Just in case, he's huge. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wants to work. Yeah, Mikey.
Oh. Oh, look at it.
Oh yeah. Shaker, you got one.
Yeah. Got a shaker, boys. Should we just let him go right away, or?
Should be a little fucker. You can bring him in and unhook him and get a picture if you want.
All right.
Just saying hi to you.
I'm getting a bite again. Oh yeah, should I just yank it?
Nope, he's like in between bumps.
Getting another bite. Oh, bump, bump.
It's hard to time them when to set it, but sometimes you just gotta fucking let her have it, and then if you don't, got him.
I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh, oh, dude. Yeah. Dude, he feels like a good one, dog. Oh, he's big. He's big, Devin. Yeah. No way. Oh my God, bro.
That's what it's all about.
Oh, dude, he's bigger, bro. Yeah. Oh, dude, he's bigger. Oh, it's making my arm tired already. Keep tension on it. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Pull up, reel down. Pull up, reel down.
Oh, there he is. Oh, he's not. He's not even that big like he felt, dude. He gave me a little bit of a fight. He's a little bigger though, huh? Should I bring him in?
Or you can just undo the hook.
I'm gonna release this guy. Biggest one I caught so far. We don't want him on his back. We want to let him go just about like that. There he goes. There he goes. Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, baby. Should I reel mine up? Got him? Nice. I'm gonna reel mine up. Is he big? Yeah, boy. Yeah. My boy's got one on now. It's his turn. Watch him bring in a 6-footer. Wouldn't that be so awesome? Shaker. Ooh. Should be up soon. Dude, he's pretty big, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude. He's bigger than mine. Yeah, dude. Heck yeah, bro. They're just getting bigger and bigger.
Oh, he's got a fucking blown out asshole.
His anal cat. Of course you catch that one. He's got a hemorrhoid, dude. Oh, poor thing. Dude, he's got a hemorrhoid.
Okay. Want to hold this rod?
Yep, got you. Dude, beautiful. Poor... Think you can bring him in? Oh, his butt went back in. Dude, how do you do that?
It's a magic trick.
Dude, his butt is messed up, dude. What is wrong with that butthole on that thing? Wow. Oh, you got it out?
Measure, bro.
In my backpack.
Keeper.
Yeah. Probably is a keeper.
Yep. This would be a keeper, bro.
Wow. Too bad we couldn't keep it though right now. It's not that time of the year. Yeah, boy. He'd be a keeper, but we can't take him home. It's not that time of the year.
Yeah.
Damn, your ass is about as blown out as your mouth.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. He burped at you. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, buddy.
You're right already. I just threw my line out. Oh yeah, Devin. I got him. Get your GoPro on. I think he's big. Huh? He felt big at first. Oh. Oh, he's just a shaker. Bigger than the other one I caught though. Yeehaw. I just got him right in the lip. Okay. I'm gonna release this guy. Biggest one I caught so far. We don't want him on his back. We want to let him go just about like that. There he goes. There he goes. Hell yeah, brother. Devin just got hooked up and I'm getting a bite at the same time. What? This is crazy. I'm putting mine back in there for a minute. Really? Devin's got a nice one on. He ain't pulling line, but he feels heavy. Hell yeah. I'm getting a bite too. He just not pulling line, but almost. He's heavy. Fuck. Hell yeah. Should start to see color soon. Watch him launch out of the water. Damn, he's pulling the whole boat sideways. Hell yeah, let's go. Get away from my line. We should start to see color soon. Yeehaw. Let's go. making you work for it. Oh yeah. What? Thought he was way bigger than that. Heck yeah, bro. He's pretty good size. Probably keeper size. You got his tail? Let's go.
Hold that.
Devin just caught this bad boy, and I'm getting slammed at the same time. Let's go. Let him go back home. And I'm gonna catch mine. There he goes. I'm getting a bite right now. I can't move him. Finally got one on over here in this cove. Oh yeah, dude. Devin. He's not moving, bro. This one ain't moving. Look it doesn't want to move. Oh. Oh, come on, baby. He didn't want to move for a minute. Now he's coming up pretty easy. Yeah, dude, they're here, bro. I'm telling you. Oh, come on. I got him my first try. As soon as I felt him do his little tug, I yanked. Oh yeah, there he is. Yeah, he's just a little guy, but I got one. Hell yeah, brother. He didn't like that. Oh yeah. Ow, ow. Got myself. Heck yeah, bro. Little guy, but they're here, bro.
What's up, buddy?
What's up? What's up, buddy?
You know?
Hi. 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 Ready to go back? Ready? Huh? You ready? Go ahead. See you later. Heck yeah, bro. Well, we caught something. I don't know what the fuck it is, but it's coming in and it's heavy. Don't pull it against the boat. Dude, I wonder what this is, bro. A log? I swear it was pulling on me. Watch it, all 30-foot sturgeon. Gotta be getting close. Weird. I don't know what it is. What is it? What? What is it? What? No way! What the hell is that?
You had it hooked.
A steel ring? Is that like an old net?
It's like a fucking bicycle, dirt bike rim.
What the hell? That's the weirdest shit ever, bro. Wow.
Send it back.
I don't know. Then we'll catch it again if we come here. We'll go put it back over by the shore. Dude, what a way to end our fishing trip, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for following us today on our epic journey. We caught a bunch of sturgeon today. Beautiful day. And we couldn't ask for a more blessed day today. We're gonna go get a bite to eat, and thank you guys for watching. Peace out.